Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys! So in the beginning of this video, I'm showing you 4 of my customized glass paintings, just to give you a little glimpse into my style and what I love doing. I'm super into Arabic calligraphy and love mixing it with a modern look. Right after the intro, I dive into a brand new calligraphy project. I'm using a black sheet, and first, I write the Arabic calligraphy using gold leaf glue. Once that glue sets just enough not too wet, not too dry, I carefully place the gold leaf over it. Then I gently rub it in using the same sheet so it sticks nicely. Once everything's in place, I use a brush to remove the extra gold. And voila! You get this super clean, elegant Arabic calligraphy design in gold on black. It looks too good. And yep, that's it, our artwork is done. But wait, this was just a quick overview. The full tutorial is coming out tomorrow. I'll go through all the steps in detail and also answer any questions you guys have. So make sure you don't miss it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.